Hi guys, it's me, Vacuum Smith here, and today I have a video on the blaster project again. This will be part 9, and if I'm lucky, this will be the last project. You guys should see the blaster running at the end of the video, but maybe not. Anyways, these are the side cases. I got them cleaned up, and we have put new JB weld on the crack. And it's all stuck up, like the way that it is, because we're gonna sand it down. It's actually a crack only about that big. You guys have known the JB welded crack has been there for a long time. But the case halves are, well, they're nice and clean. Oh, it is 10 o'clock. Well, I guess I'll start the video when it's, well, once again, 10 o'clock, but instead of PM, it'll be AM. Today is the big day. Alright guys, now we're going to take a Dremel and shave down some of this JB weld so it'll fit. Alright guys, this is case 1, the JB weld. Alright guys, case 2 is done. It's got a lot of powder in it, but we'll rinse it out with a water hose. Okay, these cases are wet, but the JB weld is dry. We was washing out all of the stuff. So since they're wet, I gotta dry them out with my dying shop vac. You'll hear what I mean in a minute. There we go. It's ready to go now. Okay, I have greased the bearings. Now, someone's not going to agree with me on that, and I've greased the bushings, but you know what? It's my four-wheeler, my side cases, my bearings, my life. I can do whatever I want to with it, regardless of what you think. Alright, it's the same drill for the second one, so I won't show you the entire process. Okay, guys. These are all the transmission parts. Anyways, this is what it takes to put the thing back together. So, we got our, this is the transmission, the main transmission components. We have the shift cam tumbler, which these ride in. I'm telling you this right now because I'm not recording any of putting back together the transmission. Okay, so, on the other side, I have to jack it up and take that center bolt out. Oh, that's right. Alright guys, it's a lot darker outside now because it took us a long time to get the engine in. I didn't record any of it because it was quite the debacle and quite the difficult process. So I didn't record any of it. Now we're going to see if it runs. I am extremely nervous right now. I am so unbelievably nervous. Let's see if it runs. You all probably don't understand because a blaster isn't exactly a thought out. Not exactly a sought after four-wheeler, but this is my favorite thing I own. This is my baby, so I really hope it runs and starts. Come on, blaster. I know you've been apart in 1,000 pieces. And you've sat long enough to gather up spider webs. And you got a crankcase full of assembly two-stroke oil. Let's see if you start. Alright guys, so here's the deal. There's really good news, but there's really bad news. You know what, it's a mechanical machine. We'll figure it out. It's going to go. Just, I completed my goal and I got to ride it today. But the transmission locked up. I don't have any better words to describe it. It locked up. Not the engine, the transmission. And here's why it did that. We searched through this thing, and we tried to get everything together just right, but we left these parts out of the transmission. We looked at reference pictures 1,000 times. We couldn't find where they went. Apparently they go to keep the gears from sliding around. Bye guys, and see you next time. And the blaster restoration project still continues. But it runs. And it runs good.